Okay, thank you everybody. Quality education in Bangladeshi context, quality education, good quality education is one that provides all learners whose capabilities they require to become economically productive, develop sustainable livelihoods, contribute to peaceful and democratic societies, and enhance individual well-being. The quality education, we the teachers of Bangladesh try to ensure the quality education according to the uh, instructions of Bangladeshi government and the education ministry of Bangladesh. The next slide is okay. We follow some dimensions of quality education. We try to follow some dimensions of quality education. You can see in the screen. Okay, the first is equity. I think equity. We the teachers try to maintain the equity among the students in our classroom and the other outsides of the classroom because some students are from rich family and some students are from poor family, so we the teachers should not bother it. We just uh, serve them equally. I think it may we can ensure the quality education if we maintain the equity among the students in the classroom or in the school or outside in the school. Then okay, there's contextualization and relevance. We should maintain the contextualization and relevance when we teach our students in our school. And the third is friendly teaching and learning. We should our teaching and learning should be the child friendly. If our students uh, if here and if they are they afraid to the teacher, then it we cannot ensure the quality education. So we the teacher should mm, child friendly teaching and learning. We should maintain the child friendly teaching and learning. Okay, in Bangladesh, we try to make our classroom sustainability. We just we teach our students in many ways, like critical thinking and problem solving. We try to teach them digital literacy. We we try to teach them in the innovative way. I have some innovation, so I try to show a video later. Okay, then balance approach. So we the Bangladeshi teachers try to make the balance approach in the classroom and try to uh, ensure the quality education by this approach. Okay, finally, learning outcomes. In Bangladeshi context, we try to fulfill the learning outcomes in the classroom. We have some learning outcomes in every classes. We try to may fulfill the learning outcomes when we teach our students in the classroom. That's all. But just wait. Uh, I want to share something here. Okay, is it visible, Rupa ma'am? কি দেখা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. If we want to ensure the quality educations in our country or any other country of the world, especially it's only for our countries, and I make the PPTs 2 or 3 months before 2 or 3 months, and I share these speeches and PPTs in a training session where I act as a trainer, master trainer of teachers. So I want to share here also. I ensure students participation and qualities of an English teacher. If we want to ensure the quality education, especially in Bangladeshi context, we must ensure students participation or students engagement in classroom and the qualities of an English teacher. Okay, we the teachers have some qualities also if we want to ensure the quality education. Okay, how do you ensure students participation? Here some points. By this point we can ensure our students' participation in the classroom. Create an atmosphere that encourages participation. Number one, be respectful. We should respectful to our students. We should be respectful to our students liking and disliking, and respectful to our students uh, motivation, or respectful to our students speech also. Okay, number two, speak loud enough so everyone can hear. Especially in our country, uh, we usually take class in the large classroom here, 70, 80, or sometimes it may 80 plus students in a classroom. So we should speak loudly enough so everyone can hear. We, the teachers of Bangladesh, speak loud enough in when we have taking classes. Okay, number three, listen and classmates. Listen to classmates, and the students should listen their classmates, and we just help them to listen their classmates in the classroom. Number four, don't interrupt who is speaking. Don't interrupt when a student share his thoughts and feelings with the teacher. So we should not interrupt them. Build on your classmates' comments with your comments. Okay, we appreciate the students comments in the classroom. Number six, use participation to know not only answer questions but they speak, help, or ask for clarification. Okay, the class should not be only the answer and questions. We should speak with them, and we should encourage them in the classroom. Then, what are the strategies do you apply to ensure students' participation? We Bangladeshi teachers apply some strategies when we take class. Okay. Active participation strategies are call on non-volunteers, not students with their hands raises. Okay, number two, allow wait time for before calling on a student. So sometimes we ask some questions to our students, but they take time, and uh, we should take we should give them time to deliver their speeches to the students. Okay, number three, place the student's name at the end of the question. So with the Bangladeshi teachers sometimes call by name to our students in the classroom when we take classes. Uh, and when we call them by name, then they encourage us in the classroom. So it's a good approach to us. Okay, finally, allow the students to answer questions by not answering them yourself. Okay, we just take them questions, and with the teachers try to give them answers, not the students. Okay, what quality should an English teacher have? It's actually for the English teacher. I don't want to share it. Uh, and with the teachers of Bangladesh, sometimes we try to take classes or try to engage our students in some innovative ways. Yeah, we have some innovations. We, the teachers, Bangladesh teachers, try to make innovation by us. I want to share a video now. Want to share a video. It's not good. Is it visible, Kunda ma'am? Rupa ma'am, দেখা যায়?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I have 18 innovations, and I participate the competition in Teachers Portal, and I also nominated the best innovators in Teachers Portal already. Okay, it's innovation.
इथं आहे तुझा हे घे माझं चार्जर आणि चार्जर नव्हतं कुठले चार्जर घेऊ
Hello,
yes sir
Tushar.
Yes.
Tushar please continue
Yes. 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 I share the video. Can you see the video?
No, sir, no.
No.
Yeah.
No.
We
Here.
can see your PPT.
Oh, you can see my PPT. Sharing screen. Okay. 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 Just a minute. Is it visible now, Kunda ma'am? Kunda ma'am?
Yes.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
visible now? Can you see?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Okay, okay.
yes, sir.
It's innovation to me. I just applied the innovation in my classroom.
Hello everybody. Now we play a game that names Slap the Odds. You can see some odds in our whiteboard that you read before. Now the one type of exam it is a game. Here I create two groups, A group and B group. And I say you the meaning of the words. Though these words are matched with the meaning, you go to the first and slap the word. And I give you the mark. I see which team is today's winner. So, ready start to play the game. Let's start. So, first two are ready to slap business. You keep the word. Okay, I think it is the first hand. You go. A. One mark. Number two. No. Number two. Empty. Okay, that's it. He is the winner. He slapped us. Okay, thank you. You can go. Again. High rank or social position? Oh, acha. Okay, good. B. You have to group B. Okay? I think. Okay. Next. Ready? You're ready? Okay, next. A long narrow passes in the building. Oh, corridor.
Okay, Kunda ma'am, can you listen me? Hello,
yes,
Kunda ma'am.
yes, sir. You
Okay,
can.
okay. By this way, I engage my students in the classroom. We use a small innovation. And the teachers of Bangladesh try to ensure our quality educations in defined ways, like critical thinking, problem solving, innovation, and so on. Thanks all. Thanks everybody's patient. Thank you. No more today.
Thank you so much sir. Your classroom, your students, very nice, and their teacher is very active. So students are also looking very active and happy. Very nice presentation and video. Thank you so much for showing that video that we can get some knowledge and increase our knowledge. Thank you so much sir. Very well presentation by you and also by Rupa.
Thank you,
we
ma'am.
can get more things about your Bangladesh and about your classroom and your school and from your students. Thank you so much, Rupa.
Yes, Kunda, I'm very sorry. I am disconnected for some moment
It's okay, dear. It's okay.
for network
It's okay.
problem.
Yeah. Hosnira, do you want to say something? Hosnira, can you hear me? Okay, I think so. Okay,
Hosnira,
now
ma'am.
we are both presented our PPT from
Yes,
India and from Bangladesh. Very nice presentation. Today's both topics are covered very well about our region and about quality education. So I think we have to go now conclude our session.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Rupa. Okay, okay.
Okay, no more today.
Thank you,
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, it's
thank you.
time to Kunda. It's time to talk only one sentence in your country and in your language and in our language.
You have to teach it first, then we can speak. You only taught us only one language. Ami balo ashe. That is Ami balo ashe. Please go
Ami
ahead.
balo
Then we can learn more.
Okay, you have to ask me this question then that how are you? It's mean tumi kemon acho.
Tumi kemon acho. Okay.
Yes.
And
This is the
what about
question. Yes.
Tumi kemon acho? Okay. Rupa,
How
I am
are you?
requesting you here. This some common sentence means hello, how are you? कैसे हो बढ़िया हो ऐसे these are common sentence. Please write it on notebook and send me personal on WhatsApp, please, if you have time. Then
Okay, no
I will,
problem. I will send you such kind of word. It will comments in classroom. Okay.
yeah. Okay. Thank you. And I also do you know Hindi very well, but if you want in Marathi, I will send you in Marathi. Okay.
Okay, you can say you can send me because I know Hindi but not perfectly as like as you.
Okay. Okay, dear. Thank you so much for your
Thank
cooperation.
you, everyone.
Okay, teachers, Tushar, Rupa,
Okay, okay.
Hosnira,
Thank you.
Vaishali.
Goodbye for
Thank you
today's.
so much for your valuable time and great PPT.
Okay.
We will meet
Okay.
you tomorrow at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. We will discuss
For
it on WhatsApp. Okay.
4
Okay,
o'clock
no problem at 4
tomorrow.
o'clock. 4 o'clock will better.
Okay. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
Vaishali ma'am, thank you.
Thank you,
Husnara
Rupa
ma'am,
ma'am.
thank you.
Okay,
Teacher,
goodbye.
thank you,
Goodbye.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.